Implementing the agreement. Negotiators should ensure that the agreement is properly implemented and followed. Secure your agreement. Strategic negotiations for successful implementation. What steps should a negotiator take to ensure the terms of an agreement are clearly defined and understood by both parties? When implementing an agreement, a negotiator should consider the following main topics. Clearly defining the terms of the agreement. This includes ensuring that the terms of the agreement are clearly defined and understood by both parties. Establishing a plan for implementation. This includes creating a plan for how the agreement will be implemented, including timelines and specific steps that need to be taken. Identifying any potential obstacles or challenges. This includes understanding and identifying any potential obstacles or challenges that may arise during the implementation process and developing strategies to address them. Communicating effectively. This includes keeping both parties informed about the progress of the implementation and actively listening and addressing any concerns or issues that may arise. Assigning responsibilities and roles. This includes assigning specific responsibilities and roles to each party to ensure the agreement is implemented effectively. Monitoring and evaluating progress. This includes monitoring the progress of the implementation and evaluating its effectiveness, making adjustments as necessary. Building a long-term relationship. This includes emphasizing the importance of building a long-term relationship with the other party and how it can help ensure the agreement is properly implemented and followed. Establishing a dispute resolution process. This includes understanding the importance of having a clear and fair process for resolving any disputes that may arise during the implementation of the agreement. By considering these main topics, negotiators can increase the chances of successfully implementing an agreement and ensuring it's properly followed.